This video will highlight some of the key areas of LingoTowns. LingoTowns is a virtual world for language annotation and learning. We embed multiple games supporting different annotation types displayed as buildings in towns, where each town represents a different document. This unique approach allows us to gamify the whole pipeline of annotation. We'll start by playing CafeClicker, our game for labelling parts of speech. Here we see CafeClicker's interactive tutorial. Parts of this video have been sped up in the interest of brevity. Having completed the tutorial for CafeClicker, we return back to LingoTowns, where we'll play PhraseFarm, our game for labelling noun phrases. In PhraseFarm here we can see part of the PhraseFarm tutorial in which the player undertakes a comprehension test. This is one of the many different ways we test players when they start playing. Returning to LingoTowns, we now demonstrate navigating between the towns. This can be done with either free mouse movement or by clicking the red compass-like icons that summarise the content of the respective towns. We then click on the farm building in a new town to play the first document in PhraseFarm. In PhraseFarm, players are rewarded based on agreement with other players. This is reflected visually by stages of plant growth in this animation. Here we see a player making another annotation. We'll speed through a few more annotations as an example before returning to LingoTowns. Having completed a document in PhraseFarm, we'll return to LingoTowns once more to visit our first document in CafeClicker. Here we see some CafeClicker gameplay, annotating parts of speech. Returning to LingoTowns a final time, we now visit the library, where we'll play LingoTorium. LingoTorium is a game for annotating co-reference. Aside from annotating co-reference, LingoTorium features various puzzles to aid in reader understanding. Here we see in LingoTorium players annotating whether items are discourse new or discourse old. Thanks for watching.